tomatoes. I think there'll be peppers. What else is over here? Let's take a look. These are all veggies to grill, which you don't normally think of barbecuing lettuces necessarily or grilling all of these things, but these are 3 quick veggies to grill. Grilled romaine, so this is basically like a grilled Caesar. We are going to just down the middle, brush it with some oil and hit the grill. You can do this as a dinner with grilled chicken, or this can be a salad or a fun party trick. That's ready for the grill. We'll come back to it. It's gonna have our radishes and our fried capers. Yeah, so that's that one. Next one, okay, this is a bit of a secret. Don't tell anyone, it's embarrassing. This is broccoli, and it's got mayo on it. Wait till you see it on the barbecue. It chars up like a beauty. I stole this idea from Malibu Farm. And the third one, before we hit the grill, we all know it, it's corn. Sometimes we're looking for something slightly different to do with corn. So, butter it, chili flakes, and lime juice and lime zest. Throw it on the, so I've already done a quick blanch, like a 1-minute cook. And we're gonna throw it on the grill just to blacken it up a bit. And this is an amazing lunch or veggie side. So I will meet you on the grill. And it's fun to be grilling vegetables like this because it's a little bit different and it's a little bit more, you can go veg forward and have smaller portions of protein and have more vegetables and still feel really nourished. Radishes. So you can do this on a platter or a plate if you want to get really fancy and do plated. Our fried capers. We just did a tamari dressing. You can do a Caesar dressing. You can do whatever you want. There's your family style salad. There's our corn, our broccoli. Mission accomplished.
Hi, this is Trish Magwood. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for recipe ideas, food inspiration, and simple home tips. Also go to Trish Magwood on Instagram for food and lifestyle ideas and inspiration, or check out trishmagwood.ca.